video on my DIY channel, you guys. We are going to be making these Adopt Me egg pins. They are super easy. So the only thing that you are going to need is your rough and ready Shrinky Dinks, your paint pens. I use Posca, your scissors, Mod Podge, and I kind of pre-drew all of the eggs because I was very nervous that they were not going to be the same size. So I did actually create every single egg in Adopt Me as a pin. So I have some super fun videos that are coming up. Of course, you guys can leave in the comments different type of videos and ideas you would like to see me do. So I am going to be a little bit rusty when it comes to because it's actually been like 5 years since I've even recorded with a camera for YouTube. So it's definitely feeling a little bit rusty, but I honestly had so much fun doing this one. So the only thing you are gonna need to use, I did do the intro, it was a little bit quicker than I intended. So the only thing you are gonna need is your pack of Shrinky Dinks, and I always use the rough and ready just because if you do use the regular ones that are smooth, I feel like if you use your paint pens, it does go on really, really streaky. So I do like the rough and ready. You are gonna wanna make sure that rough side of the paper, like the paper that is textured, that is what you are going to be drawing on, and it just helps to stick a little bit better, and it does help to reduce your streaks. So if you don't have the paint pens, if you are looking for some, I actually highly recommend Posca just because they are the best quality that I have worked with, and I think mostly a lot of people will recommend these over a lot of other ones. But you also can use pencil crayons, and you also can use permanent markers on here as well. So they work pretty easy. Shrinky Dinks are really just kind of like fun to use and simple, and you really don't need anything professional. You can sit down, make any design that you want. So of course, if there is like any other themes that you guys want to see me do, I'm definitely planning to do some Animal Crossing, but I also am going to be doing things that are not like game inspired as well. It's just going to kind of be a little bit of everything. So yeah, also you are going to need to have Mod Podge or something to kind of seal your paint on so that it doesn't like peel or get dirty. So I highly recommend Mod Podge as well. I'm pretty sure that Golden sells something, the brand Golden, but you can use, Mod Podge comes in a bunch of different textures. You can get like satin, glossy. You can get, even if you just want them to be matte, but I always use the Dimension because it kind of gives them the raised top as well. You guys will see at the end. But the only thing about the Posca paint pens though is it is very, very limited to the colors. So I didn't really have a light brown. I did order these skin tone ones just because as soon as I was done doing this, I realized I didn't have the shade, like the lighter brown shade that I needed. So I did end up needing to use gold. And the gold, once you bake it, it is like very intense. So it goes on, you can't really tell, it just kind of looks a little bit shimmery, but when it dries, that gold and silver is like very, very intense. Oh my gosh, the farm egg is also one of my favorites here. The black, you guys will see, it kind of felt even like I was drawing with permanent marker, to be honest. But yeah, so it is going to be a lot of things coming to the channel, you guys. I have so many fun things. There's going to be squishy makeovers. I even have like some painting things, some resin stuff, but it's just kind of one of those channels I've always wanted to do. And I really love gaming. If you guys are finding my channel randomly, I actually have a gaming channel, Krystin Plays, and a ton of other ones. But yeah, I just really wanted somewhere I can do all of my creative stuff because I really love painting and just being artsy and kind of learning about resin. I know resin is the trendy topic right now, and it's very new to me. I did actually subscribe to a resin box, so we're going to be working with some of that stuff as well. Oh my gosh, the starter egg. This one was so much fun to do as well. One thing is though, it's kind of hard to tell where the top of the hat meets the bottom of the hat, but that black, oh, I just love coloring with this black paint pen because it covers honestly like a dream. It is so rich and it does not leave any streaks or anything like that. But yeah, my hands were so sore. Like I said, you guys, I actually filmed this like 3 times because the first time that I filmed it, my camera kept dying. The second time that I filmed it, my hands looked purple because I can't figure out the lighting. Hopefully it's okay for this video. Oh, this is the diamond egg. That one was probably one of the hardest ones to do just because I did want to incorporate how when you have the diamond egg in game, it kind of looks like the sky at the same time with the clouds. And oh my gosh, the first time that I did the dinosaur egg, I actually made the pieces of the dirt. They were like gold. So I'm glad I actually was able to redo this one here. But yeah, I actually have a blister now. So I am planning, you guys, to have a brand new video on this channel every single Friday. So definitely make sure that you guys are subscribed and share this channel with your friends if you guys do like being artsy. So since these dry super quickly, I was actually able to go ahead and just cut these out right away. So I did try to leave a little bit of an edge all around the shape of the egg. And look how cute that one is. So you are just want to take your time, cut all around, then put them in the oven at 450 degrees about 10 minutes. And then you guys can see this is where I'm just kind of evenly trying to place that dimensional Mod Podge on top. So you definitely are able to use if you want to make these matte, glossy, or dimensional. And you can use a needle if there are any bubbles that you need to pop. Then just take your pins and your glue and just kind of glue them to the back. I used E6000, but you guys can use hot glue or super glue. And your pins are complete. Make sure that you guys give today's video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you guys have subscribed, and I will see you all next time. Bye, guys.